students, open your social studies book. Let's start the first chapter. It is from geography section, the universe. In this chapter you will learn about the universe, the solar system, that is the system of sun involving 8 planets revolving around it, how time is measured in space, and about the phases of the moon and the eclipses, that is Girahan. This is a photograph taken by the Hubble telescope, which is in a spacecraft 600 kilometers above the Earth. Its mirror is 240 centimeters in diameter, and because it is far above the dusty, cloudy atmosphere of the Earth, it can see much more clearly into outer space. Distances in space are so huge that we cannot measure them in kilometers, and astronomers use light years. That is, the distance light would travel in a year. इसमें आपको ये बताया है कि जो स्पेस में डिस्टेंसेस होते हैं वो मीटर्स किलोमीटर्स में नहीं यूज़ होते, उसको एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स यूज़ करते हैं इन लाइट ईयर्स. डिस्टेंस को मेजर करने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं लाइट ईयर्स, यानी कि एक ईयर में लाइट कितना ट्रैवल करेगी, इस तरह से डिस्टेंस को मेजर किया जाता है. लाइट ट्रैवल्स एट 299792458 meters per second, that is well over 1 billion kilometers an hour, which means nearly 9.5 trillion kilometers in a year. The Hubble telescope has photographed stars as distant as 12 billion light years away. We just cannot understand such distances. इसमें आपको ये बेसिकली बताया है कि एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स जो हैं, हबल टेलीस्कोप इज़ द लार्जेस्ट टेलीस्कोप इन द वर्ल्ड, जिसके ज़रिए एस्ट्रोनॉमर्स स्पेस में डिफरेंट प्लैनेट्स एंड सोलर बॉडीज़ का मुताला करते हैं. ठीक है, इसमें यही बताया कि आपके डिस्टेंसेस स्पेस में इतने ज़्यादा हैं कि जो नॉर्मल स्केल्स हैं उनके ज़रिए हम उसको मेजर्स नहीं कर सकते. We read stories and see films of space travel to distant stars, but of course this is quite impossible. Apollo 11, which took the US astronauts to the moon in 1969, was launched on 16 July and the moon landing was on 20 July, 4 days later. Today, rockets can travel at a speed of 40,000 km per hour. The nearest star is 32 billion kilometers from the Earth, and to reach it will take 91.3 years. Most of the billions of stars in the universe are in huge clusters called galaxies. जो stars हैं हमारे universe में वो एक झुरमट की तरह रहते हैं, बड़े बड़े झुरमट होते हैं जिसको बोलते हैं गैलेक्सी. Our solar system is in the galaxy known as the Milky Way. हम जिस गैलेक्सी में एग्जिस्ट करते हैं, हमारा सोलर सिस्टम, उसका नाम है मिल्की वे. As you can see from the photograph, galaxies are in gigantic spirals. The Milky Way is 100,000 light years across, about that much kilometers. This is a huge number, you cannot even measure it. Nebulae, singular nebula, are clouds of dust, hydrogen, helium and other gases found between the stars. Nebulae is basically एक जो है वो cloud होता है डस्ट, हाइड्रोजन, हीलियम गैस और डिफरेंट दीगर गैसेस का, जो कि स्टार्स के बीच में पाया जाता है. सो यू शुड नो व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ आवर galaxy. The name of our galaxy is the Milky Way. And what is a nebula? It is a cloud of dust, hydrogen, helium and other gases. Suns and planets. In astronomy, a sun is a huge star, usually incredibly hot, with planets revolving around it. These suns are what we see as stars, and even the most powerful telescopes will not show them as any more than points of light. We cannot see the planets going round them, but astronomers can work out that they are there. The solar system. Our sun is only a medium-sized star compared with others in the universe, even though its diameter is more than 100 times that of the Earth. It has 8 planets going around it, and all together they form what we call our solar system. Okay, children, look carefully at the diagram of the solar system. This is sun, and these are the 8 planets revolving around it. These are orbits of the planets. The names are written. Just notice their diameters. How big are they? Notice how small is our Earth.